wait a second.
That's like the dumbest thing you can do is get your hands in the way.
Are you recording?
No,
No, yeah, I don't want to see. I don't want to see.
Record. This is the funny stuff.
It's recording.
It is recording. Okay.
Pull your arms across,
You
sailor.
don't want to see it?
No.
Who do you want to go
Well, then
first?
close your eyes.
No, I want.
No, close your
What
eyes.
do you want?
I want his coat.
You want
You
his
don't get my coat.
Yeah.
Why do you want his coat?
Okay. Oh yeah, that was a good one.
Nice.
I would really move your fingers.
your hands out of the way,
Not
boy.
use your fingers.
Oh man, you could see the first one. You couldn't see that one. Oh, that was two.
It didn't even count.
How about I hold it for
Okay,
Daniel?
who's next? I don't want to go next.
I'll go next.
If I throw up after this one, I'm done.
Oh man, this is a dang.
Oh, come on, you can.
Oh, that's cheating.
Oh.
That's rude.
Of course I am.
Hey!
Two nipples.
This thing is
I can see it focused. He was asking for it. I had to.
Oh, that is pure rude.
You got John. John's next.
Dude,
John's
I don't
next.
remember that.
You gotta.
Oh man, that's good. That's good stuff.
Sternum again. Yeah.
Your sternum covers half your chest. It's not fair.
Oh, that was different.
Was that his neck?
No, I think it was like here.
Oh my gosh, your aim is not.
That's where I was aiming.
Oh, I'm glad.
All right.
Glad you're getting
And
closer to the
risky.
face.
I'm not getting shot again. Thank you very much. My nipples remember you. This remembers you.
Do you know what I'm gonna do?
Ah.
I'm gonna go home and tell my family.
You almost. Oh, gotta stop it. You sucker. Hold on, hold it. Hold it. Gosh, you gotta sit down. Stop!
Okay.
Hold it!
Alright. Let me know when you're comfortable.
Yeah, then you'll make me uncomfortable like my whole life.
Oh man.
What the heck? How do I know you're not just gonna snap my nipples off?
You gotta put
What
your
if they
arms
bleed?
on the armrest. Arm on the armrest. They can't even get
I
in.
know, sir.
Okay.
Just give me some time. I need to say goodbye.
Goodbye to you.
No. Why are they foggy? I can't see.
I haven't even worn those.
Alright, I'm done after that.
Oh, come on. This is just
Someone
getting
take me home.
Ow! I'm glad I worked my abs out before this.